Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your paycheck with PayPal. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To automate your paycheck with PayPal, start by logging into your PayPal account. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section located at the top of the page. In the Wallet section, find and select the option for Link a Bank Account if you haven't done so already. Follow the prompts to link your bank account by providing the necessary information, such as your bank account number and routing number. After linking your bank account, return to the Wallet section. Next, click on PayPal Balance and select Add Funds. Here, you will find options for transferring money from your linked bank account to your PayPal account. To set up automated transfers, go to the Settings icon located in the upper right corner of the page. In the Settings menu, choose the Notifications tab. Look for the section regarding money and select the option to receive notifications for transactions or deposits. Now, return to the home page and navigate to the Payments section. Select Manage Automatic Payments to begin setting up your recurring payment method. Click on Create a new payment and input the details for your paycheck. Include the amount and schedule for the payment, such as weekly or bi-weekly. Make sure to select your linked bank account as the funding source. Confirm your setup and save the changes to finalize the automation process. You can check your activity page to monitor the status of your automated payments. This simple setup ensures your paycheck is automatically transferred to your PayPal account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.